We need to have an uncomfortable conversation.
You paid $30 for Minecraft. In fact, if you play on console, you might have paid for it twice. You pay for realms, you pay for Minecoins, you are the premium customer. So why does the free-to-play version in China have better features than yours? I've been digging into the NetEase version of Minecraft, the version exclusive to mainland China, and what I found isn't just different, it is insulting. While we struggle with third-party launchers, laggy servers, and a fragmented modding scene, the Chinese player base is playing a version of the game that feels like Minecraft 2.0. And the worst part? Mojang knows it's better. They just don't want you to know. Let's start with the barrier of entry. If you want to play modded Minecraft in the West, you need a PhD in file management. You need to download CurseForge, install Fabric, check version compatibility, and pray it doesn't crash. In China, it is built in. The NetEase launcher isn't just a play button, it is an entire ecosystem. You want mods? Click the Mod tab. You want shaders? Click the Shader tab. It handles the installation, the compatibility, and the updates instantly. It even has built-in cloud saves for your single-player worlds, a feature we have been begging for since 2010. They treated the launcher as a service. We got treated to a file folder. But the technical superiority gets worse when you look at multiplayer. In global Minecraft, if you want to play with a friend, you have two bad options. Buy a realm, or learn how to port forward your router, risk exposing your IP address. It is archaic. In China Edition, the friend system actually works. You see your friend online? You click join. That's it. No server IP, no payment, no hosting setup. They have a built-in LAN over internet system that mimics the old console experience. Mojang could give us this. They have the technology. But if they gave us free, easy multiplayer, who would buy realms? The difficulty of Java multiplayer isn't a bug. It is a business strategy to sell you the solution. And then there is the content. We wait 12 months for a pale garden and a creaking mob that does almost nothing. Meanwhile, China Edition has entire DLC-sized expansions built into the base game. They have the Apocalypse mode, which turns the game into a survival horror RPG with new bosses, new weapons, and a story. They have exclusive biomes, exclusive mobs like the golden monkey and the alligator. Some of this is paid DLC, sure, but a lot of it is developed specifically to keep the game fresh. While we get parody updates to make the grass color match, they are getting actual RPG mechanics. It feels like two different development teams. One is trying to preserve a museum, and the other is trying to make a video game. Finally, we have to talk about the engine. China Edition is primarily built on the C++ Bedrock engine, but it is heavily optimized for low-end hardware because most Chinese players are on mobile or older PCs. The result is a render distance that puts Java to shame. They have dynamic lighting optimizations that we need mods like Sodium or Optifine to achieve. The fact that the default experience in China runs smoother than the default experience on a $3,000 gaming PC in America is the ultimate irony. So, should we be jealous? Yes and no. There is a dark cost to this superiority. The China Edition is free because it is a trap. It is filled with microtransactions. It requires a government ID to play. The chat is heavily censored. You can't say certain words, you can't build certain symbols, and your playtime is restricted by the government. It is a gilded cage, a beautiful, polished, optimized prison. But it proves one thing. Mojang can make a better launcher. They can make better optimization. They can make multiplayer easy. They just choose not to do it for us, because we have already paid. We are the loyal customers, so we get the bare minimum. They are the potential customers, so they get the red carpet. So, the next time your game crashes because of a mod conflict, just remember, it's not a technical limitation, it's a business decision.